Welcome kids, myself Mrs. Netra Kale, your maths teacher from Welkin National School, and we are starting mathematics for standard 2. Students, today we learn our chapter number 30. Do you know notes and coins? This is your second semester chapter started over here. Chapter number 30. Do you know notes and coins? Now student, coins and notes. In your first standard we have started about notes and coins. In our daily life we use currency. Currency means what? Whenever you go to shop, when you buy a chocolate, you need to pay amount for it, right? You need to pay the cost of the chocolate. Like that is called note or coin. You give coin, 5 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. You must have seen at your home. Look, this is a 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, right? This is a 5 rupee coin. Then this is a 20 rupee note. This is a note. 20 rupee note. This is a 50 rupee note. 100 rupee note. So this kind of notes. Now look, this is a 50 rupee note where rupees 50. In Marathi there is R is written R. Rupees 50. It means this is a 50 rupee note. Now look at down. Rupees 200. It means this is a 200 rupee note. Look, rupees 100 rupee note. Rupees 500 rupee note. Okay. Now here some of coins. 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin. 2 is written over there. 1. And this is the symbol of our Indian currency, rupees. Okay. This is a symbol of our Indian currency. We are a resident of India. So this is our symbol. Okay. We use rupees. We use what? Rupees. Okay. Now look. Yash and Rama have come to their uncle's village with their mother. There is a fair today. When they left for the fair, their uncle gave them rupees 100 each. Now they gave them rupees 100 each. To whom? To Yash and Rama. Okay. So Rama went to Nandu Kaka's shop and asked for change. Nandu Kaka gave her the following. Now look, change of rupees 100. Instead of this one note, we can take this kind of chain. So what is the chain? He gave him 150 rupee note. This is 150 rupee note. It means 50 rupees. Okay. 220 rupees notes. 20 plus 20. So 220 rupees notes. 20, 20. 1 5 rupee coin. So 5. Now here tens and units. So unit we will write at unit column. 1 2 rupee coin. 2. Again one more 2 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin. Let's add it. Look, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 and 1 we will carry over here. 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? 100. So these are the change of 100 rupees. Instead of taking this much, we can take 250 rupees notes. Right? 250 rupees notes also make 100. Okay? There are lot of ways to make a change of rupees 100 or whatever currency. Okay? So look, I have written here 1 rupee. This 5 rupees. So write 5 here. 20, 20, 50. 50 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 20 rupee. These are all of change of a 100 rupee note. Okay. So this is the small change of 100 rupee. So if she wants to take a chocolate of 5 rupees, then she will give this 5 rupees for chocolate. If she want to take a candy of 2 rupees, she will give 2 rupee for that candy. So this is the change of rupees 100. Now chalo, let's go to the market. Now look, here a shop. Here a shop, and there are some things are there, and each thing has its own price. Look, like these balls of of 25 rupees. Now you have DMart. You have DMart near you. Whenever you go to DMart, there are things over there. Okay, and all things have their own price. Right? Like this. So look, ball has 25 rupees each. The top has rupees 10. Okay, the price of teddy bear rupees 80. The price of pencil rupees 7. Look. Now here eraser rupees 6. Toffee rupees 1. One glass for 15 rupees. Look, car price is 60. Toy doll 60 rupees. So let's do the following. Now look, John bought a ball and a car. John bought a ball and a car. Means ball and a car. So he put dash rupees in the box. So how many is total rupees? Let's calculate first. John bought a ball. So what is the price of ball? Rupees 25. So we will do 25. And what is the price of car? Rupees 60. So we will add both the items. Okay, we will add the amount of them. So what is the answer? Look, 505 and 2 plus 6 is 8. So 85 rupees. How much he put in the box? 85 rupees. Now Sony bought a doll and a top. So what is the price of doll? 60. And what is the price of top? Rupees 10. So 60 plus 10 is 70. So 70 rupees. Understood, student? Now Devansh bought 2 bananas and a glass of milk. Now look, 2 bananas. So here 1 dozen banana rupees 36. 1 dozen means 12 bananas. And 1 banana, amount of 1 banana is rupees 3. So Devansh bought 2 bananas. So 2 times 3. 3 2 times. So 1 banana is 3. And he bought 2 bananas means plus 3. Right? This is for 1 banana. This is for second banana. And a glass of milk. So 3 plus 3 is 6. And glass of milk rupees 15. So we will add this. So 3 plus 3 is 6 and 15. 6 plus 15 is how much? 21. So he put 21 rupees. Understood, students? Pari bought 1 notebook. So what is the price of notebook here? Rupees 20. And 2 pencils. So what is the price of pencil? Rupees 7. So again, what is the price of notebook? 20. And what is the price of pencil? 7. But she bought 2 pencils. So add 7 again. So 20 plus 7 plus 7. 27 plus 7. 34. Understood, students? So students, in our daily life we need notes and coins to buy anything. Okay, you just have a look on all the notes and all the coins. Ask your parents to give you notes to have a look. Okay, and go through this. Your notes and coins chapter is over here, students. Thank you, students. Happy learning.